Hi guys, my name is Breonna-Maria Rodriguez, mortgage loan consultant with Fairway Independent Mortgage. Something that I want to talk to you about today is the importance of having stamina and endurance throughout your loan process. You will notice that I'm on a treadmill in a gym, and what I really wanted to do was illustrate how the loan process and getting to the end goal, getting to the closing table, is very much like getting to your end fitness goals. You have to have stamina and endurance to get there. You also have to have discipline to make sure that you get there to that end goal. So just like when you're working out, you have small milestones throughout the process. Same thing with a loan. We have certain milestones that we have to get through throughout the loan process. So many times people will send in their initial taxes, bank statements, pay stubs in order to get their pre-approval, and then go under contract on a home that they fall in love with and think they're done with me. So honestly, that's really when the work begins on your loan. After we go under contract on a property, you will have to get me documentation, updated documentation, different explanations, just depending on your own specific loan package and profile. One thing that I tell all of my clients is to keep in mind that no two loans are alike. There's no cookie cutter way to do a loan, and there's no one way at looking at a loan file. So sometimes we will come back to you several times asking different questions for different documentation. That's not because we didn't do something at the beginning, it's just questions do come up throughout the process. Those kind of milestones that I was mentioning earlier are after going under contract, you're going to get your loan disclosures. After you get your loan disclosures back to us, which we request within 48 hours of you receiving them, your loan is going to be going to our processing team. Our processing team is going to go through your file and make sure that it's ready and put together for underwriting. The underwriter is going to look at your loan and make sure that your mortgage loan meets all of the rules and guidelines for our investors, or who's doing your loan. If we're doing an FHA loan, conventional loan, we want to make sure that all the rules and guidelines are met, so that way we don't have to come back to you later after your loan closes with more questions. So just remember, we are going to ask questions throughout the process, and just be sure to get those back to us, because the sooner you get those back to us, the sooner we're going to be able to get to the closing table and get you to your end goal of purchasing your home.